So welcome back to our Radical Riches channel. If you've never watched our videos, we do a lot of videos about faith, family, and finances, and I guess kind of like our farming as well. But that kind of falls under our finances, just self-producing for ourselves. But anyhow, today we are working on getting sheep. You can see I'm putting up posts here. We're building a fence. I'm going to put up kind of a quick, easy fence for our sheep. So,
I have a baba.
yeah, she's got some candy. She went with me to Rural King today, and Grandpa gave her some money when they were visiting, so she bought some candy.
This is my sugar.
Yeah, sugar to make you go wild. What have you got?
A caterpillar. It already got on me once, so I just let it on.
Is that what you've been calling a flying caterpillar?
Uh-huh.
Why is it a flying caterpillar?
Because it flew.
Wow.
And there was a green one that also flew.
Hmm. There we go, a nice sturdy post. Well, we've got our sheep, and to keep them safe at the night and keep dogs away, we're going to keep them in this dog kennel that someone left at one of our rental properties one time.
All right, there's the sheep on the back of his truck. And I'm going to end in the fence part here. Somehow we've got some little vines growing all over our pen there.
Yeah, they were stored in that area.
You can see he's built some electric fencing around the house here, and he's got a water trough. And I'm going to get him a food bowl here. He's fenced in a pretty large portion here of our pasture with electric fencing. And there's little Susanna holding James's cat, Milky. You having fun, Sue? I'll walk around here so you can see more of his fencing. Now, we ended up not having to fence in the right side of our property because there is an existing fence here that Dan has been able to repair. So, this should be a really cool experience for the family. I know Daniel, or Farmer Dan as I've been calling him, has been really excited about this for a long time and has been wanting to get into sheep farming and putting a lot of research and time and effort into making that happen out here. So I'm proud of all the effort that he's put into it, and I hope that it'll be a great experience for the whole family. I think it will be.
Now I need your help.
Okay, let me go get the sheep on. Oh, look at Tom. What do you think about those sheep, Tom? You don't know what to think about them, do you? Here are 3 of the sheep that Dan has bought. These are Katahdin sheep, and we specifically wanted this type because you don't have to shear them. There is 1 ram in here and 2 females. And which one is the ram, Daniel?
I don't know, I'll have to...
I think it's this one laying down in the back. It's a little bit bigger. All right, I'll see if I can get him on video. Here we go. Yeah, this big guy in the back, that's the ram. So this should be quite an experience.